Hey guys, today I would like to discuss with you oils in skincare, because oils are really everywhere when it comes to skincare, and they are in all lotions, in all face washes, in all body washes. You really can't escape them, but that doesn't mean that all oils are good for the skin. So that's why I would like to discuss how to choose the right oil and give you a few examples of oils that you can use for different skin types. And I would like to do this by first discussing why oils are good for the skin. Then I would like to talk about different elements that you should look out for when choosing an oil. And in the end, I will give you a few examples of oils that you can use when you have a more mature, sensitive or oily skin. So when it comes to your skin, you have different layers. And the top layer of the skin is what we call the skin barrier. And this layer will protect you from all allergens, irritants, bacteria, heating, and all harsh elements that are out there in the world. But it will also lock in all moisture, so it will prevent your skin from drying out. And unfortunately, your skin barrier can be damaged by perfumes, by pollution, by heating, by anything and everything actually. And when your skin barrier is damaged, all these irritants, allergens, bacteria can penetrate your skin and enter your body, and all the moisture can evaporate. So you will, or you might end up with really dry skin, or with some skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, or something else. So in order to prevent your skin barrier from damaging, or to repair your skin barrier, you can apply oils. And the oil will create a protective layer on top of your skin. So it will act as your skin barrier and will keep all bacteria out of your body, but it will also lock in all moisture so you won't dehydrate. So when choosing an oil, there are different things that you should look out for. And the first thing is whether or not your oil is refined. And the difference between refined and unrefined oils comes from the way the oils are obtained. So oils are always obtained by pressing together the seeds or other elements of the plant. But with refined oils, heat is added to this process, which means that you can lose some of the properties of the oils compared to unrefined oils, which are totally cold pressed together. So when choosing an oil for your skincare, you should always choose an unrefined oil. So the second thing that you should look out for when choosing an oil is the amount of linoleic and the amount of oleic acid in your oil. So oils always exist of fatty acids, which can be linoleic or oleic. And the main difference is that linoleic acid, which is also known as omega-6, is really good at skin repairing. So it's really good at repairing a skin barrier or skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis. And it does that without clogging your pores. So people suffering from acne might want to use an oil that is richer in linoleic acid, whereas people suffering from really dry skin might want to choose an oil that is higher in oleic acid. And oleic acid is also known as omega-9 and is really good at softening your skin and deep hydrating your skin. And the third and last thing that you should look out for when choosing your oil are the bioactive molecules. Oils next to the fatty acid also exist of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and other ingredients, and all those elements can really benefit your skin. So vitamin E, for example, is great at preventing skin cancer and healing psoriasis. You would want to choose an oil with higher amounts of vitamin C when you want to boost your collagen production or treat hyperpigmentation. And vitamin A is awesome when it comes to rewinding skin aging. Now that I've explained to you what to look out for when choosing your oil, we can dive into different examples. So when it comes to skincare for more mature skin, a few oils that are really great to use are sweet almond oil, safflower seed oil and grapeseed oil. And you can also add a few capsules of vitamin C or vitamin A because, as previously discussed, they are really collagen boosting. So people having sensitive skin will want to use oils that are fast absorbing and non-irritating, like evening primrose oil, safflower oil and sweet almond oil. So people having oily or acne-prone skin will benefit from fast absorbing and non-comedogenic oils, so oils that don't clog pores, like neem oil, grapeseed oil, and sunflower oil. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, it would mean the world to us that you hit that subscribe button and help our content race to the top.